Hello you wonderful people, I'm Sarah and I've got for you today a really super simple lunchbox filler type recipe. It's also very adaptable, so I'll go through some of the different options with you as well. So start off, bowl, 1 cup of self-raising flour. Of course if you don't have self-raising flour, no big deal, just use plain flour and a teaspoon of baking powder. Not even sifting it, that's how lazy this is. 1 cup of coconut. It can be either, I'm just using the fine desiccated coconut, but it can be shredded coconut, whatever you've got. 3/4 of a cup of sugar. You can cut that back a bit if you like. 3/4 of a cup of milk. This is not milk, this is whey left over from making my Greek yogurt. So if you've got whey to use up, totally use that in this. If not, use milk. And the last very crucial ingredient is chocolate chips. Just the cheapy ones. I've actually got a bit of a mixture. I've got some of those bigger chocolate drops plus some little chocolate chips. So about a cup all together. I'm going to mix them up. So we've got some big bits and some little bits, but whatever. And that is it. Super duper easy. Mix that all together. Now I have heard of people saying that putting a mashed banana in with this recipe actually works really well if you want to add a bit more nutrition in there. Replacing some of the chocolate chips with like fruit and nuts, absolutely. Yeah, I've heard of some people just, you know, reducing the sugar down to 1/2 cup, adding 1/2 a mashed banana instead. Yeah, so raisins, whatever, instead of the chocolate chips, mixture of chocolate and nuts. So there's a few different options there, but this is just a nice, easy, plain recipe. Just lining a cake tin there, it's about 20 centimetres squared. Dump the mixture in. We want to preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. We're going to put that in the oven and bake it for about 35 minutes. Right, we are back. So, now of course if you want to make it look pretty, you could sprinkle some icing sugar or something over this. Look at all those chocolate chippies. Yum. Alright, this smells so yummy. I am going in. That is really nice. It is just, it's simple, it's sweet. The coconut and the chocolate, I actually use dark chocolate chips in this, but you could use, you know, milk chocolate chips. You could use a combination of dark and white to mix it up a bit. It's not like really light and fluffy. It's got like a very slightly chewy-ish type texture to it. It is really nice. I have also heard, as well as people putting like fruit, nuts or mashed banana in with the mix, somebody else actually mentioned putting a bit of cocoa powder into the cake itself to make it really chocolatey, and then using white chocolate chips as a contrast. But just as is, I mean, that could not be more simple to make. It is so easy.
You should have made more.
I should have made more.
Agreed.
Agreed in the background.
That is awesome. I love it.
Is it
Can I have
good?
this chunk?
So, no, you can't steal a chunk off another bit.
I like the texture of the coconut and the chocolate gives it a good flavour. That's what I think.
That's a very professional review. Is it yummy? That's the main thing. Okay, definitely. So you always get a more descriptive review from Aston, not just, oh yeah, do it again.
And do it again. That's because he tries to sound cool.
Because he is cool.
No, he isn't.
He's professional. Hit the like button, leave me a comment down below, hit subscribe, and make some of this. The kids will love you for it. Or if not, I'll come around and eat it. So, sweet. Alright, catch you next week. Bye.